Welcome here. Welcome home. I'm here on the land, with the land, and I just wanted to come in and say hi and just to let you know that I see you. I see you and the efforts that you're taking, the movements that you're welcoming in and honoring on the inside, trusting the voice of spirit, of your inner self, of your ancestors. I hope you continue to move in honor of you, to support people with your presence, with your voice, and simply be here. Simply remain with presence, with heart, and stay kind to yourself and to one another. May you move through your day and trust all that is, all that's here, and all that's unfolding. Until next time, remember, you are already worthy and you are already enough.